Have you ever imagined becoming a superhero? Not with flying or laser eyes or super strength, but with the most unusual power you could think of? Well, this is the story of a boy named Rohan. Rohan is just like any other 12-year-old, until one sick day at home when something very strange happens. And that strange thing turns him into an unexpected superhero. Rohan was sick. His head hurt, his nose was tickling, and worst of all, he had to miss school. In his bedroom, Rohan's mother gently gives him some medicine before leaving for work.
Here, Rohan, take this and rest, okay? I'll be at the office. Don't get out of bed. Just sleep.
But Mom, I can't sleep. My sneezing won't stop. Achoo! Achoo! I just want to go back to school and play with my friends.
You'll be fine soon, champ. Rest, and you'll be back with your friends before you know it.
Mom waves bye to Rohan and leaves for the office. Rohan lay in bed, completely bored. His mind drifted to football games, silly jokes, and the laughter he shared with his friends, until he finally reached for his favorite comic book, The Great Superhero Saves the World.
Oh no! Here it comes! Achoo!
With one mighty sneeze, Rohan's comic book went flying across the room like a rock.
What? Did my sneeze just do that?
Rohan dashed into the living room and stopped in front of a vase of flowers. He wanted to test his sneeze on something, just to see if it was really that
Okay, test number 2.
And to his surprise, the vase blasted across the room and shattered against the wall with a loud crash. Rohan couldn't believe it. He had a superpower now. Rohan decided his new power needed a hero name.
From now on, I'm Mr. Achoo.
Rohan decided it was time to test his new superpower outside in the park. He rushed to his closet to change his clothes, and to his amazement, hanging there was a shiny superhero costume waiting just for him. With a big grin, he proudly put it on. Dressed in his superhero costume, Rohan rushed to the park. There, he spotted his classmate Ryan, who was busy bothering the smaller kids.
Stop right there, Ryan. Give them back the ball.
And if I don't, what are you gonna do? Sneeze on me?
Rohan feels the tickle in his nose. Achoo! A massive gust blows Ryan rolling right out of the park. All the kids started cheering for their new superhero.
Mr. Achoo! Mr. Achoo! Mr. Achoo!
But suddenly, Rohan's legs began to wobble, just like the ground beneath him was starting to and then, crash! Rohan toppled to the ground, only to open his eyes and realize he was back on his bed. Wait a minute. It was all just a dream. Rohan blinked in surprise. His friends were all gathered around his bed, looking down at him with worried faces.
Rohan, you're awake! We came to see how you're doing.
You missed school today. Ryan was bullying us again. You should have seen it.
Someone needs to stop him. We've got to do something.
Maybe I should just sneeze on him. That'll blow him away.
And just like that, Rohan's silly dream gave him something real, laughter with his friends. Maybe he wasn't really Mr. Achoo, but sometimes even a sneeze can make you feel like a hero.